wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Haider Rimawan from the Informatics Study Program with a student ID number of 10,225,059. I was assigned here to make an English monologue video, a segment with the theme of education. Uh, Education life and the journey of becoming. When people hear the word education, most of them immediately think about school. When people hear the word education, most of them immediately think about school. Classroom exam, grades, classroom exam, grades, report card, degrees. But tonight, or whenever you're listening to this, I want to invite you to slow down, take a breath, and rethink what education really means. Because education is not just something that happens inside a building with white walls and noisy hallways. Education is life itself. Let me ask you something. Have you ever met someone who never went to a prestigious school, never held a fancy degree, but somehow they were incredible wise? They knew how to talk to people, they knew when to study, they knew how to survive hardship, they knew how to stay calm when life got messy. That education too, just not the kind we usually talk about. Growing up, many of us we thought that education is a race. For finish her first, for get the higher school, for graduation on time, for get into the best university, and slowly, without realizing we started comparing our timelines white or with other people timelines. If they are already successful, when why am I still her? If they already know their purpose, why am I still confused? If they already have everything figured out, what wrong with me? But here the thing, education was never meant to be a race. It was meant to be a journey, a personal journey, a message journey, a journey with detours, pause, and something complete stop. And that does mean you're failing. It just means you're learning. School teaches you a subject, life teach you listen. School is great. Don't get me wrong. School teaches where you medicines, history, language. Train your brain to think logically. It gives structure. It gives discipline. But life teaches you think the textbook ever called. Life teaches you how to handle rejection, how to deal with failure, how to survive disappointment, how to forgive, how to let go, how to start over. No exam prepares you for heartbreak. No syllabus teaches you how to love someone you love. No graduation ceremony guarantees happiness. And yet, these are the lessons the shape where we become uh, the pursuit to be successful. Let's talk about pursuit. Because education today comes with a lot of pressure, pressure to be perfect, pressure to always be productive, pressure to turn every skill into money, pressure to never slow down. Somewhere along the way, learning stopped being about curiosity and started being about some competition. We stopped asking, what do I want to learn? And started asking, what will impress people? That's dangerous because when the education is driven only by validation, we lost the joy of learning itself. Education should make you human to just smart. What the point of being smart if you're not keen? What What's the point of having knowledge if you lack empathy? What the point of high grades if you look down on others? Education should make you more understanding, uh, more humble, more open-minded, more compassionate. If education makes you arrogant, then something went wrong along the way. Because you know that without humility is dangerous. Teachers will change you. Pause of a moment, think about one teacher would change your life. Not necessarily the smartest one, but the one who made you feel sane. The one we believe in your when you did believe in yourself. The power of education, not information, but inflation. A good teacher does don't just teach lesson, they teach comprehension. A good teacher does just teach lesson, they teach comprehension, they teach courage, they teach hope. And something, one sentence from a teacher stay with or for life. Learning never ends. Hard truth we don't talk about now. Graduation is not the end of education, it's just the end of one chapter. The world keeps changing, technology evolves, skills become outdated, new problems appear. If you stop learning, you don't stay still. You fall behind, but leaning down always mean formal education. It can be uh, reading, listening, observing, asking questions, making mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson, every failure is feedback. Education and identity, identity, education shape how we see ourselves. For some people, school was a safe place. For others, it was a battlefield. Some were pressured, some were ignored, some were labeled smart, some were labeled slow, and those labels they stick. But hear me, Charlie, when I say this, you are not your kids. You are not your past mistakes. You are not someone else's expectation and expectation. But hear me clearly when I say this. You're not your grades. You're not your past mistakes. You're not someone else's expectation. Education should help you discover where you are, not trap you in who you're supposed to be. Courage Curiosity is more important than perfection. Kids ask questions all the time. Why? How? What if? But as we grow older, we stop asking. We're afraid of looking stupid, afraid of being wrong, afraid of judgment. But curiosity is the heart of education. Uh, the moment you stop asking questions, learning stop. So ask, curious, be uncomfortable. Then we grow, happen. Redefining success in education. Success does look the same for everyone. For some, success is becoming a doctor. For others, success is starting small business. For others, success is simple finding space. Education also for difference in the definition of success. Not for everyone into the same mold. We need artists, we need thinkers, we need builders, uh, we need caregivers, we need dreamers. A healthy education system celebrates the diversity of talents, not just academic achievement. Education a tool, not a weapon. Knowledge can build, but it can also destroy. Education should never be used to humiliate, exclude, dominance. Through education, empower people. It gives voice to the voiceless. It creates solution, no division. The more educated we become, the more responsible we should be. Uh, so maybe education is not about becoming better than other. Maybe it's about becoming better than what you were yesterday. Maybe education is not about knowing everything, but about being willing to keep learning. And maybe this may be the most important lesson education can teach us is how to stay human in a world that keeps trying to rush us. If you're listening to this feeling lost behind or unsure about your path, you're not late, you're not broken, you're learning. And that is education too. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.